Hello friends, Artapoli here. Today I'm gonna do a quick watercolor demonstration, and also I'll be explaining more detailing about the materials you can choose for watercolors, like the papers, the paint brands, and also brushes. Interested? Let's get into the video.
So guys, using quality materials plays a great role in achieving good result in watercolor, and especially in case of papers. So today I'm going to do this video to show you some of the papers that I use. So the very first thing I want to tell you guys is whatever sheet you are using, for achieving a better result, the GSM value must be 200 or more. Okay, that's the first thing I want to suggest. So whatever sheet you are using is fine, that's up to you. But the thing is, like, if you really want to achieve good result, then I prefer the papers with more than 200 GSM, especially if you are doing like loose watercolors. If it is light, then 140 will be fine, but the thing is, like, you have to work very carefully, otherwise the paper will get tear off. Okay, so let's start this, and the first thing I want to tell you is the cheapest one. Cheapest one is this one. I hope you can see the textures here. Okay, so this is a handmade sheet and it costs some, I think for me it is getting some 40 to 50 rupees. Okay, so and it was before, it is like some 15 or 20. Now I am getting it for something between 40 to 50 rupees. So this is the cheapest sheet, and the GSM I am using is like 200 GSM. Okay, so the first one is handmade sheet. Okay, Indian handmade sheet, and bit expensive one I am showing. This is the Canson 300 GSM. So normally it will cost you something around 100 per sheet. Okay, this is a small piece of paper, and per sheet, if you are getting a big roll or A1 or something, then it will be kind of around 100 and 120. Okay, this is the other thing. And I also want to I think for this one I forgot to show you the texture. Okay, so it's like a card and it's very thick. It can hold like a lot of water and it won't get tear off when you do it for like heavy watercolor paintings. And the other one I want to show you is this. This one is Chitrapat sheet. Okay, this one is of 270 GSM, and I am using a rough finish one. Normally I love to paint on rough surface, so this is the other one, and it is Chitrapat. Okay, Chitrapat is normally, it's not a brand available on Amazon and Flipkart, but you can directly purchase it from other vendors. I will give you the link, or you can just ping me. I can tell you like where you actually get this sheet. This is very cost effective, multi-use. You can use with different medium, and it is really good. And the price is not that high. I bought this big sketchbook of something around I think 500 or something. Okay, so in this it will be like 40 to 50 or 50 plus sheets are there, and it is good enough to paint. Okay, and also right now I'm going to show you how the paint works on different sheets. Okay, so this one, as I told you, this is Indian handmade, and this one is Canson, that is 300 GSM, and the background, this one is Chitrapat, that is 270 GSM. So I'm going to choose any of the colors now. Okay, then I will show you how it works. And also I'm trying to add more water to it, so that you will get an idea like how exactly the color work on this texture. Okay, so first I'm going to add that on the Indian handmade sheet. Okay, as you can see, of course the texture is there, but it is not that strong, and it's not holding the colors very bright, right? So it is like coming off, the texture is coming off with the sheet. So that's what happening here on Indian handmade sheets. Okay, but once it get dry, you will really get very good effects, and you can also do wet on wet. Since the GSM value is 200, then it will be really good for you to do that. but the thing is like you can see how it works, right? I'm not explaining too much, but yeah. Okay, then the same thing, same color, same brush, everything same. I'm just trying to add it on Canson sheet. Okay, so here place the quality. So since that costs some 40 or 30 rupee and this is around 100 and 120, then you can see how nicely it withstand color, right? So maybe if I'm using more water and I can spatter also, I can take off the color or I can do anything and it will withstand and it will give you a different texture. Okay, so that's the difference on Canson sheet, and I'm going to do the same on Chitrapat sheet. Okay, see, that also giving you a better result. So this is the difference between these papers, and you can choose as per like if you want to go a very cost effective or cheap materials for practicing and all, I will prefer this one. And for a better work you can choose this. Better work means like for a commission work or something you can choose this, and this one is a like the cost effective and also in quality wise this is the better one. This one, normally most of my works I do it on Chitrapat sheet, especially for like practicing and also for some of the commissions work I do this one. Okay, so this is how it is. Now I will show you the wet on different surface. Okay, so I'll just take some red and how the spread and everything happening on all the different this thing. See, it is very consistent on Chitrapat and Canson, and in handmade sheet it's not that good. The spread is not that good. You have to adjust with a wet brush always to get a proper spread and everything, but this will withstand all the water and the strokes. Okay, so it's completely depends on you, like your usage and your style, and you can decide like with what you can go ahead. So you can see how the textures work on different paper and sheet, and how the paper surfaced, and like if you see these areas of handmade sheet, it is swollen, and when I add more water it is getting like some wrinkles kind of thing on the texture of handmade, but here it is like clean. Even if I add more water I can really wipe out the colors. Okay, so that's the difference here. So thank you so much guys. I believe this will be very helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much. If you really like the video, you can subscribe my channel for more. I will be posting more videos. Thank you so much.